awesome learning. Let us start learning A. How to write A? Draw a semicircle and connected to that another semicircle. Then draw a sleeping line from the center like this and draw a standing line touching the sleeping line and draw one more standing line next to it. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now we have learned A. Now let us learn some words which begins with the letter A. Arm, mango. Aloo, potato. Aag, fire. Aadmi, man. Aina, mirror. So we have learned aina, mirror, arm, mango, aloo, potato, aag, fire, and aadmi, man. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel.